Hello students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. So today I am going to explain about previous NEET, JEE and MSET chemistry questions. Right. So what is the first question? 4.4 grams of a gas at 0 degree centigrade and 0.082 atmosphere pressure occupies a volume of 2.73 liter. The gas can be. What are the given answers? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Nitrogen dioxide. D. CO2. Right. So how to calculate? Listen to me. So what is the formula? We know that ideal gas equation per 1 mole of gas. Ideal gas of equation per n mole of gas. PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. Here pressure is given, volume is also given, R is universal gas constant, that is known, and T is also known. At STP temperature, what is the temperature? Absolute temperature 273 Kelvin. Okay, if N is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Here weight is also given. We can find the gram molecular weight. Right. So N is equal to PV by RT. N is equal to PV by RT. N is equal to PV by RT. Right. Here N is the number of moles. Here P is the pressure, V is the volume, R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature. So what is pressure? 0.82 atmosphere pressure is given, and volume is also given. Volume of 2.73. Volume 2.73 by R. So here R having so many values, 8.314 into right joule second, right, 8.314 into 10 to the power of 7 erg second, and 0.0821 liter. R is equal to 0.0821 liter atma. Okay, now mole units thickness, right? So 0.0821 liter atmosphere. Okay, mole inverse, right here. And temperature T, how much? 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. This can be written. So N is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight by gram molecular weight. So N is equal to number of moles is equal to, what is the formula? Weight by gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight is equal to 0.82 into 2.73. So 2.731 ja 2.73 100 ja 2.73 100 ja. So 0.82 by this can be written as 0.821 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Yes. So this can be written as 0.821 into 10 to the power minus 1. If it is divided, again this value got. Okay, into 100 means 10 square. 100 means 10 square, right? So these two are cancelled. So what is remaining value? Okay, now we want to gram molecular weight. So weight into what is this value? 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 square into 10 is equal to gram molecular weight. So here weight how much is given? Weight of 4.4 grams. So 4.4 into 10 is equal to gram molecular weight. So gram molecular weight is equal to 44. So 44. So in this, which is having 44 gram molecular weight, oxygen 16, each oxygen 16, 216 ja 32. 216 ja 32. Carbon monoxide, carbon 12, oxygen 16. So 12 plus 16, 28. So here nitrogen, here each oxygen 16 to 16 ja 32, each oxygen 16, 2 16 is 32 plus nitrogen 14, 32 plus 14, 46, 46. Here carbon 12 plus 2 oxygens, 2 into each oxygen 16, 12 plus 2 16 is 32, 32 plus 12, 44. So this is the answer, this is the right answer, this is wrong, these are the wrong answers. So this is very important question. So how to calculate? PV is equal to nRT, where n is equal to PV by RT. Okay, that values are substituted in the equation. We got gram molecular weight, okay, which is having a 44 gram molecular weight. Carbon dioxide having 44 gram molecular weight. That is the answer. Next, for which of the following systems, second question, let's go to second question. For which of the following systems the difference between delta H and delta U is not significant? Delta H and delta U is not significant, right? So 1 solids, 2 gases, 3 mixture of gases and liquids, and fourth one liquids. So answers are also given: A 1 4 1 and 4, B 1 3 and 4, 1 3 and 4, right? These are given. Okay, so we know that delta H is equal to, okay, we know that one equation, delta H minus delta U is equal to delta Ng into RT. So this is we know that. So what is the delta H minus delta U is equal to delta Ng into RT. Here G is the gas, where G is the gas. Here delta H is equal to change in enthalpy, delta U is equal to change in internal energy. Here delta Ng is equal to delta N is equal to difference between the number of gaseous molecule, R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature, absolute temperature, right? So here delta N G, this is a difference between the, okay, number of product molecules minus number of reactant molecules, that must be present in gaseous state. Number of gaseous molecules in product, number of gaseous molecule in a reactant. So here this is not applicable for solid and liquid. Okay, this is not significant for solid and liquids. Why? Here delta Ng, G is the gas. Okay, here delta Nb is the difference in the number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant in gaseous state. That molecules must be present in gaseous state. So here number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. That product and reactant must be present in gaseous state. So if the delta Ng can be calculated. So solids, this is not applicable, and gases applicable. Mixture of gases and liquids, this is also right. Liquids, this is not applicable. So mixture of gases and liquids, how to write? Suppose we can write N2, that's not right, 2HCl, reversible arrow to H2 plus Cl2. This is gas, and this is liquid. Okay, mixture of gases and liquid. So here how many molecules? Delta Ng is equal to product 2 minus 2 molecules minus here 0. So here delta Ng is equal to, but not 0, right? So this is the mixture of gases and liquids, right? So which are not significant? Solid. Which is significant? That is gaseous and mixers. But we are what is asking? Now which is not significant? Not significant means okay, solids and liquids are not significant. solids and liquids. So this is applicable only for gaseous mixers, gases are gaseous mixers. So these two are answers, solids and liquids. So 1 and 4. So this is the right answer, 1 and 4. Okay, next goes to another question. So next goes to next question. Hydrogen peroxide stored away from light because it can get decomposed when exposed to light. So what its answers? So hydrogen peroxide can be decomposed in the presence of light. H2O2 can be decomposed in the presence of light. How? H2O plus half O2. H2O plus half O2. So if we can take a 2H2O, so H2O2 can be decomposed in the presence of light, H2O plus half O2. So here what are the answers? H2O and O2. This is the answer. So this is not hydrogen and oxygen, H2O and O2. This is not, and this is also not. Okay, H2O2 can be decomposed in the light to H2O and oxygen. Right, that is the right answer. Next goes to another answer, another one. What is that? Right. What will be the IUPAC symbol and name for the element with atomic number 123? So UNT and unilithium, UBQ and unbiquadrium, UBT, unbitrium, UNB, unilbium. Right. So so the IUPAC name and symbol for more than 100 atomic number elements. So first of all, its symbol digit. So 0, nil, 1, un, 2, bi, 3, tri, 4, quad, 5, pent, 6, ex, 7, sept, 8, oct, 9, n, 10, dec. Right. So not 10. So 9. So these are the symbol for digits. So here what is given? 1, 2, 3. 123. Okay. What is the name of, what is the IUPAC symbol and name of 123 element? So 1 means un. So 1. 2 means bi. 3 means tri. Okay. Every end of the element, every end of the name of element, we can write, we can add it um. So So what its name? Unbitrium. What its symbol? So 1 means 1. Its first letter U. By what its first letter? B. Okay. Tri 3. Okay. T. UBT is the symbol. Unbitrium is the name. UBT is the symbol. Unbitrium is the name. These are wrong answers. So I hope to clear this everyone. Please subscribe our channel.